Behind me is India's largest and richest civic body, the BMC, Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Do you know that the budget of this BMC is more than 74,000 crores? It's even larger than few Indian states like Sikkim, Tripura, Goa. Now, as we all know, the elections will be held on 15th Jan of BMC along with 28 other municipal corporations. Now, during the whole political campaigning, we heard words like the Burkhadari mayor, Khan mayor, Rasmalai, Lungi Pungi, Hindu Muslim. It's hilarious, right? Mumbaikars are asking, why are the politicians not speaking about real issues that are directly affecting them? Despite such a massive budget, why is Mumbai still grappling with basic issues like waterlogging, potholes, traffic congestion? Why are these issues not being solved? The BMC allocated rupees 5,100 crores for road and traffic infrastructure improvements. But has the traffic situation changed? Now there are various high congestion areas in Mumbai including Borivali, Malad, Andheri, Marol, BKC, Bandra, Western Express Highway, and the list goes on. Commuters are frustrated because of the daily traffic congestion. A recent study by the Watchdog Foundation says that commuters waste 85 minutes daily because of the traffic congestion. It not only hampers the productivity but also takes a toll on the mental and the physical well-being of Mumbaikars. Mumbaikars say that the BMC has failed to address an important and long pending civic issue, and that is the issue of potholes. Now every monsoons it's the same story. The deaths because of the potholes have seen a spike in the city. Despite spending rupees 400 crores in 2023 for filling the potholes and rupees 275 crores in 2024, the potholes are still not fixed in Mumbai. So this has exposed a gap between BMC's massive resources and its chronic mismanagement. The amount of 3,111 crores was allocated by the BMC for the road concretization project. Now, Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde says that this is an ambitious project. They want to make Mumbai pothole free, and the roads of Mumbai will be 100% concretized by the next 1 year. But you see the ground situation behind me, how people are forced to walk on such narrow lanes. Roads all across Mumbai are dug up, the road concretization work is going on, but the senior citizens, the common people are complaining that they have no or very little space to walk. Even alternative provisions or the alternative routes are not provided to the citizens, and they are forced to walk on such pathetic roads despite spending such a big amount. Now you see various posts, comments on social media platforms mocking the roads of Mumbai. But common Mumbaikars are really tired of such pathetic roads. The BMC spent staggering 5,548 crores for the waste management. Despite this, Mumbai has emerged in the list of the top 10 dirtiest cities in the country. Now you are aware of the foul smell, the stinking problem, the mosquito problem in your neighborhood. Inadequate cleanliness and sanitation has emerged at the center stage of the Mumbai's civic problems.